Hey everyone, Mr. Newman here. I want to show you guys how to graph the absolute value function on your calculator and how to graph function transformations. So first off, when you click y equals, notice we need to graph absolute value, so I'm going to press the math button. That's right here. And when I press that, I get this menu. Then I need to go over one to the number in the menu. So I'm going to press the right arrow. And when you do that, we go over and you see ABS is the first thing that's seen. Some of you guys, when you press enter, will see it blinking like this. Others will see something that looks a little bit different. See something that looks like this, ABS. Okay? If you have it like this, make sure you close the parentheses, but I'm going to show it like the standard. And if you notice, I press mode to get there, looking like this. And I just want to type X in there, and I can press graph, or you can press zoom 6 if you can't see that. And you notice we have an absolute value function. In order to graph the transformation, I'm going to go back to y equals, and I'm going to graph it right next to the previous function. That way I see the parent function, which is already there, and the child function, which is the new one. So let's go back to math. I'll go right one to absolute value. And this time I'm going to type in x plus 2, for example, to graph a function I hope will move 2 to the left. Now when you press graph, you notice one's already graphed, and you want to watch very carefully and see which one was the second one graphed. If your calculator graphs too quickly or you didn't notice which was graphed, one of the things you can do is if you go back to y equals and go to the left, notice I'm going to y2, going to the left over here, I can change what the line looks like. I have some control over that. So instead of being a thin line, I'm going to press enter once, and now you notice how it became a thick line. Now that it's a thick line, if I press graph, I can see, hey, here's my parent function, and the new function, which was x plus 2 in absolute value, that was moved 2 to the left. This is a great way to verify any of the transformations that you have. Thank you very much for watching.